This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the buds and the phone so pairing goes smoothly. Charge the case and earbuds to around 50% because low battery can interrupt setup. Once charged, open the case and press the case button for 2 to 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. This makes the earbuds discoverable. Install the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone so you can finish setup, update firmware, and access EQ and noise controls once the device appears. Once the buds are discoverable, choose WF-1000XM5 from your Bluetooth list and accept any pairing prompts. This connects audio and allows the app to configure codecs. Next, use the app's fit test to confirm a secure seal. A proper seal improves bass and active noise cancellation, so swap ear tips until the test shows good results. Make sure to enable desired features like automatic device switching, Google Fast Pair, or AAC. You finish by tailoring controls and verifying stability. Set ANC and ambient modes, customize the EQ, and map touch gestures in the app to match how you use the buds. Install any firmware updates because they fix bugs and improve connectivity. If audio stutters or the connection drops, make a quick reset. Hold the case button for 10 seconds to factory reset and then repair. This clears pairing conflicts and often resolves stubborn issues. If problems persist, test on another device to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.